Did you know that most professionals waste more than 10 hours every single week doing repetitive work? What if I told you that artificial intelligence can do those tasks for you automatically? In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 AI automation tools that beginners can start using right now in 2026 to save time, reduce stress, and work smarter, not harder. Make sure to watch till the end, because the final tool is the most powerful one. AI automation is no longer just for big companies. Today, freelancers, students, and small business owners are using AI tools to automate emails, manage tasks, write content, and even schedule meetings automatically. In this video, you'll learn exactly which AI tool does what, and how each one saves hours of manual work every week. Let's get started. The first AI automation tool is Zapier. Zapier connects different apps together and automates repetitive tasks without any coding. For example, every time you receive a new email in Gmail, Zapier can automatically create a task in Trello, update a Google Sheet, or send a message on Slack. Instead of doing these tasks manually, Zapier runs them in the background for you, 24 hours a day. This is perfect for beginners because it's simple to use and supports over 5,000 apps. If you use email, Google Docs, or any productivity app, Zapier can save you several hours every week. The second tool is Make.com, previously known as Integromat. Make.com is similar to Zapier, but it's designed for more advanced workflows. It allows you to create complex automation using a visual drag-and-drop system. For example, you can automatically collect data from forms, analyze it, send reports, and notify your team, all in one automated workflow. Even though it looks advanced, beginners can still learn it step by step. Make.com is ideal if you want more control and powerful automation without writing any code. The third AI automation tool category is AI chatbots. AI chatbots can automatically answer customer questions, reply to messages, and provide support 24 hours a day. Instead of manually responding to the same questions again and again, an AI chatbot handles everything instantly. These tools are commonly used on websites, Facebook Messenger, and customer support systems. AI chatbots save time, improve response speed, and reduce the need for human support agents. This is extremely useful for online businesses and freelancers working with international clients. The fourth AI tool category is AI writing assistants, such as Notion AI or Jasper AI. These tools can automatically write emails, generate reports, summarize documents, and even create content outlines in seconds. Instead of spending hours writing manually, you simply give the AI a short prompt, and it generates high-quality text instantly. Notion AI is great for organizing notes and documents, while Jasper is popular for marketing and professional writing. If your work involves writing, documentation, or planning, these tools can easily save you 5 to 7 hours every week. The fifth and final tool is AI scheduling software, such as Clockwise. These tools automatically manage your calendar and schedule meetings in the most efficient way possible. AI scheduling tools analyze your availability, prioritize deep work, and rearrange meetings to reduce distractions. Instead of manually planning your day, the AI optimizes your time automatically. This is especially useful for professionals who attend multiple meetings every week. By 2026, most repetitive tasks in businesses will be automated using artificial intelligence. People who adopt AI automation early will work fewer hours while achieving better results. AI is not replacing humans. It's replacing boring, repetitive work. If you want to save time, increase productivity, and stay ahead in the future, start using AI automation tools today. Subscribe to this channel for weekly videos on AI automation, future technology, and smart productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.